Major Tech's hot new multimeter, but adding a little twist to it. It has our multifunction stud finder built into your multimeter. So if you're a resi or if you're a domestic market tradesman or Sparky, this is your go-to multimeter of the trade. What's nice about it is having it where you can find electrical cables, your metal beams and your wooden studs through your walls, as well as having your normal multimeter built into it. Having it the same as your MT300, which is your multifunction wall scanner. Imagine having this built into this. Didn't know it was possible, but now it is. So get your new multimeter today. It's the MT878.